what's up? I know it's been like such a long time again since I have filmed, but I am back with another video again. So this time it's gonna be about nails, so a little bit different. Off of eBay I ordered this gel nail polish set. I think it was for $50. When I saw a YouTube video on it, it said it would come in a really nice box and all, but it only came in this. And I know it's an Amazon Prime bag. I don't know why it came like that, even though I ordered off of eBay, but it is what it is. So it came with like everything that you need. So I guess I can show you guys what it is, and then we'll get to the step-by-step on how to do it. So when I first opened the bag, it was all stuffed in here. It says Modelones. Okay, so it came with like a nail buffer and a nail filer. So you have these two things. And then it came with like these hand thingies to separate them. Hand separators, whatever they're, finger separators. And then it comes with 6 different colored nail polishes and base coat and top coat. So this is how the top coat, oh my god, the light is so bright, isn't it? Okay, but oh god. Okay, but this is how big the polish is. The base coat and top coat is the same thing, like this. And then the colors are this tiny. There's like a very light pink, there's a darker pink, there's like a purple gray, there's a gray, there's a dark blue, like a bluish gray type, and then there's like a very nice color green, and then the base coat. Then it also has instructions. It tells you how to apply the gel, how to remove the gel, and how to prep your nails. So that's what this is. And then also it comes with these like little sticker dots, and I already did it. So you basically apply the color here so you know what color it is, and then stick it on like that. Literally this light is too bright. I don't even know if you guys can see that, but it's like that. So then it also has this other bag of stuff, and in here you will find, it comes with one of these packets, and it has UV gel cleanser like wipes. And then there's 2 of the, I think these are like gel removals, so like to help you remove the gel easily, like you just put on your finger. I think that's what it is. And then we have in this tiny cute little box, in here is the cuticle oil, and it's so cute. It's like this, and then you open it, and then there's like a little brush, and it's easy application. And then it comes with the cutest little nail brush, like to dust off anything that you need to. Comes with a nail clipper, another like brush, I guess. And then it comes with the cuticle pusher and the cuticle trimmer. So last but not least, in this box, it comes with a UV LED lamp. It is tiny, but there's like this little stand thing, so you open this up and then you set it on your table, and all 4 of your fingers can fit. I usually do my thumb separately, but yeah. And then it comes with this cord, so I usually like attach it to my laptop to make it easier. Alright, so now that you guys have seen what it comes with, we can get started. So if you have any polish on, I would like you to go remove it and make sure there's nothing at all on your nails. Go wash your hands so all the oils or any debris or whatever there is will be gone. And then what I want you guys to do is buff your nails and file them or cut them to whatever length you want. So that's what I'm going to do as well. I already removed my nail polish. I'm just going to buff them and file them, and then we'll get started. So see you soon. Okay, so I have prepped my nails. So we are ready to start the application. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take the base coat and we're going to apply it to all 10 of our fingers. And then we're going to put it under the UV LED light. So what you're going to do is open the base coat, and all you're going to do is apply a thin layer. And you're just going to do that to all 10 of your fingers. Okay, all 10 of them. And then I'll be right back. And I would also suggest is get a Q-tip and some nail polish remover. And if you get any of the base coat on your skin, clean it up. Because if you don't clean it up, then the light is gonna, you know, the base coat is just going to stay there, and then there's more chances of your polish coming off early, and we do not want that. So go ahead and do that. After you have done that, you are going to take your LED lamp, okay, and there's this button in the back over here. If you keep it pressed, it comes on for 60 seconds. And then if you just click it once, it comes on for 45 seconds. So we're going to do this for 60 seconds. You're going to keep it pressed and just set your nails in there for 60 seconds. And then what I also like to do, just to be on the safe side, I like to start the light again and put it on for 45 seconds just to make sure it is dried and sealed. So I usually do my the first 4 fingers first, and then I'll do my thumb later. So I guess while you're waiting, you can pick a color. Oh look, my 60 seconds are over. So we're gonna put on for 45 seconds. Okay, I literally am struggling. Okay, so I don't know what color to do. Where's my colors? I really like this green color. Isn't that so cute? So I'm thinking of doing that, or I could do like 2 colors. I don't really like the other colors, so I could do this pink. Seriously, y'all cannot see anything. I guess I'll do green and pink. Those 2 aren't that bad. Oh, also guys, since y'all are here right now, you guys should go ahead and follow my Insta account. It's called Muskan Beautygram. That is basically like my makeup and nails account. And also go ahead and follow my TikTok account. It is Muskan1099. Currently I'm at 15.7k followers on there, and I would love to grow. And I also started a new dance account with my sister and my friend. It's called Ballerinas. It's Bollywood dances that we come up with. So, you know, go ahead and follow both of those accounts. Yeah, that's all I have to say right now. So currently, this is how my nails look right now when the base coat has been dried. It's pretty good. So now what you're going to do is you are going to take the colors that you want. So I'm using these 2 colors. I'll just do my other hand later. So I'm going to take these 2 colors and apply it wherever I want. And the first coat will be a little transparent. So see, this is the first coat right now. It's like not that, you know, opaque yet. It's very translucent. You basically just have to keep applying it until you get the look that you want. When I did it on my mom, you can see the process of when I did it on my mom. It's on my TikTok account. But when I did on my mom, it took me about 2 coats to get to what I want, and I think that is not bad. I have applied the colors on my nails. It is pretty messy right now, so what I'm going to do is just clean it off. And then after you do that, you're just going to put it inside your LED lamp. 60 seconds, then 45 seconds. Do that to the 4 fingers, then you do to the thumb. And then after you do that, we'll come back and let's see the next step, okay? Alright guys, so I did the second coat and this is how it looks so far. I think it looks so much better now. That shine, and I guess it's kind of clean. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the last step of this. So the last step basically is to put your top coat on. So you're just going to do the same thing again. Apply your top coat, 60 seconds, 45 seconds. So just repeat that. And then after that, we'll come back. Okay, so go ahead and do that. BRB. Okay, so I just finished putting the top coat on. So I am going ahead, putting it in for 60 seconds. So yeah, so we're just gonna wait. I still gotta do my second hand and I'm so tired. This is a process, but at least you don't have to spend so much money. Like, I think gel is what, $30 at the nail salon, so like you basically get this kit for $50 and you're saving so much money, and like you can always order the colors, you know. So I think it's worth it. So what we really just need to see is how long it stays. So I guess we're gonna have to find that out. But yeah, my cousin has like the polygel kit and I tried that out, and I feel like that is also a good thing to get as well. It is super time consuming, like more than this gel nail, because you gotta like mold it and stick it on and then cure that and all that. But hold on, I gotta put on for 45 seconds. So yeah, but I'm thinking of getting it just because, you know, so we don't have to use fake nails, because I don't like to use fake nails. I like my own nails. My nails are short right now because I had acrylics probably a month or two ago, and because of this whole corona thing, I couldn't go there and get it removed professionally, so it messed up my nails a lot, and they were super thin, like paper, like literally. So I basically just kept them naked for a while, and then yeah, so I am currently doing my thumb right now. For your next step, you're gonna need that cuticle oil. Go ahead and take it out. Also guys, if you have any suggestions of what videos you guys want me to do, go ahead and comment down below, because the main reason why I'm not uploading as much is because I just don't know what to do. Okay, so my nails are done, and this is the finished look with the top coat and 2 coats of polish. I think that is a salon finish. Like, I think it's good, besides the mess ups at the edges. But yeah, so now what you're gonna do is take your cuticle pen thingy, if I can open it, and apply it. Yeah, so you're just gonna apply it and then close it, and then you're basically just going to rub it in, and that is it. You are done with your nails. So I hope you guys like this, and I hope you guys if you guys really like this, I hope you guys order and save some money for yourself, you know. Okay guys, please like, comment down below, and subscribe. Bye.